Unraveling the mystery. A word in one's ear. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the meanings behind some intriguing phrases. Today, we're exploring a rather interesting expression, a word in one's ear. Stick around as we break down what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. At first glance, a word in one's ear might sound a bit mysterious, but it's actually a straightforward phrase used in English. This expression means to talk to someone privately or discreetly about something, often to give them advice, information, or a warning in a way that others cannot hear. It's like pulling someone aside for a quiet, confidential chat. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can be quite enlightening. The phrase, a word in one's ear, has been part of the English language for centuries. It likely originates from the idea that the most private and confidential way to speak to someone is by whispering directly into their ear. This ensures that the message is heard by the intended recipient and no one else. Knowing what the phrase means and where it comes from is one thing, but using it correctly in conversation is another. Here are a few examples to show how a word in one's ear can be naturally incorporated into dialogue. Could I have a word in your ear about the plans for Saturday? I think someone needs to have a word in his ear about his behavior at the meetings. After having a word in her ear, she decided not to sell her car. Notice how the phrase is used to imply a private or discreet conversation, often about something important or sensitive. To expand your vocabulary further, it's helpful to learn similar expressions. Phrases like, pull someone aside, speak privately, and have a chat behind closed doors all convey a similar meaning to a word in one's ear. These expressions can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your personal preference. And there you have it. The phrase, a word in one's ear, is all about speaking to someone in a private, discreet manner. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances and expressions that make it rich and vibrant. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.